Hey guys, Larynx Talent Co here. Today we're going to show you a quick and easy way to make your audio files a little bit longer without having to re-record. Check it out.
At Larynx Talent Co., we bring life through sound.
So here we have our DAW software. I use Audacity, and here we have our file. Now as you notice here on the bottom, you have 8 minutes and 13 seconds for this audio file. Now let's say that your producer or your rights holder wants to extend that. They need to make sure that it needs to be a 3-hour audiobook or a 3-hour sort of segment, and you're at sort of 2 minutes and 45 seconds. All right, so in this example, again, you have 8 minutes and 13 seconds here. What we're gonna do is you're gonna highlight your sound wave. You're going to go to Effect, and you're going to go to Change Speed. So what this is going to do is it's actually going to increase the rate in which you say your stuff, or vice versa. It can slow it down, and that's what we want. We want to slow it down because we want it to be longer. So as you can see here, this is your speed multiplier. This is your percent change. What this is essentially showing you is how much faster or slower you want to take your audio file compared to what it currently is. Remember, it's 8 minutes, 17 seconds. So if we just move this dial here, as you could see, the new length is on the bottom, and it'll tell you, okay, this is how much slower it's going to go. Now I like to keep it around 80, between 90 and 80, simply because the more you do it, it'll sound very, very slow and almost inaudible, to where you sound like just a computer or a monster. So I'm going to do about 90 here, and we're just going to notice the difference. So when you press OK, and you're going to notice here that it's going to sound very much slower.
Chapter 3, How to Prepare Your Child to Handle Social Media.
Okay, so now what we're going to do is to change that sound so it doesn't sound like your lower pitch or sound deeper. You're going to highlight your sound wave again, and we're going to change pitch. Now, what this is going to do is going to get you closer to what your actual sounding voice sounds like. Now, this is something you have to play around with because depending on your actual voice, you may need to do some semitones right here, these half steps. You're going to have to do it a little bit more, a little bit less. So what I like to start off with is just a two semitones or 2 half steps. Change that right there, and then you hit preview, and we're going to see how it sounds. All right, so let's check this sound.
Chapter 3, How to Prepare Your Child to Handle Social Media.
And that sounds like my normal voice. So essentially, we did change speed so that you can make it slower or faster, and then change pitch so it can sound like your actual voice. This is a quick and a simple way to make your audio recordings, especially if they're over 30 minutes long, slightly longer for your rights holders so they can make it to their time limit. Last thing here, you'll notice that now it's at 8 minutes, 57 seconds. So we just added 40 seconds simply by slowing it down. All right, you guys, there you have it. How to slow down or speed up your audio files so that it can fit a particular time limit. Again, you're going to use change speed and change pitch on your Audacity. Hope this helped. Larynx Talent Co. Follow us in the following socials, at Larynx Talent Co., as well as LinkedIn. Thank you guys. See you.